Hi, I'm Jason, Sales Manager and WAV Specialist here at Roywood Transits. Today I do the sales walk round video for the Peugeot partnered Tepee Allied Horizon we've taken in part exchange. So for sale here at Roywood Transits, 13 on a 13 plate, 47,000 miles. It's the 1.6 diesel for you. Peugeot partner Tepee. It's the Allied Horizon SE, 4 seats plus wheelchair space. Converted new by Allied on the Motability scheme. So good level of history. In the silver, got the wheel trims on it. Cracking value for money, this one. So we do have a little dent on the rear corner here. We've had a quote for body shop, but with the age and the mileage of the vehicle, we felt that it's better just to leave it, but happy to show you that the dent's there. Got your rear parking sensors on. Pop the ramp out. So we should put the ramp down for you. We've got the rear restraints in here, the wheelchairs in the back as well, so you can see the space. Got a soft start winch. Slap and diagonal seat belt. 2 seats in the back, 2 seats in the front. Front winch and restraints, so everybody's inclusive. Forty-seven 171 on the miles. Got your 5-speed gearbox. Previous customers popped a little Bluetooth kit in there for you. Got your stereo here with an old school CD player. If you've still got CDs to put in it, of course. Electric windows in the middle. Got your aircon and your heater. If you'd like any more details, or you'd like to book a viewing or a test drive or a demonstration, you're more than welcome. Give me a call in the office, please. 0118 979 0060. Thanks very much for your interest. Thanks for watching. Take care.